Hi, welcome to PHP tutorial. This is how you should use this video. And when I record video, because it's for YouTube, I'm going to talk really fast, because if I make the video really long, the file size will be big and there will be other issues. So because it's a YouTube video, you can pause the video anytime. Okay, I'll be fast. Okay, so we were in the last video we were downloading the XAMPP, and I chose the earlier version. Okay, I like to choose a slightly earlier version. Instead of going for the latest, I choose the earlier one. Probably is safer because a lot of people have used it. They probably reported problems. So I don't really like to go for the latest. So I go for like slightly earlier version. It doesn't make much a difference for the features we use. Okay. And we were doing download, and I think it's almost done. 12 seconds left. So it's depending on your internet connection, right? If you have a fast internet connection, you can get it almost immediately, but if you have a slow internet connection like me right now, it will take a while. Okay, so I'm using Firefox, so the file has been downloaded. I can open the location. That is the file, okay? Around 151, actually 148 megabytes. I'm going to save this somewhere so that later I can get to it even when I need to. So for all the projects we develop here, we just right click and open Windows File Explorer. I have File Explorer pinned on my taskbar. If you do not have, you can always go and look for File Explorer, okay, and pin to your taskbar, okay. All right, I already have it on my taskbar, so that's fine. If you do not have it, search for it and pin it onto your taskbar. I'm not going to unpin it, so you should see pin onto your taskbar. Then you will appear here. Okay, so File Explorer we're going to use a lot to organize our files. So I'm going to do all the work at our C drive. I'm going to create a folder called my PHP. So I'm going to right click here, new folder, my PHP. Okay, please use the same name, my_PHP, because later we are going to create alias to point to it. If you create a different name, it won't work later. Okay, so I'm just going to temporarily drag this file over here so I can close it, because this is my download folder. Probably a lot of things are hidden inside, so I don't like to keep the file there. Okay, so since we have this, we can install now. Make sure you have admin rights to your computer, and then you can just double click on it. Say, are you sure you want to make changes to a device? Yes. Yes. Okay. All right, installation, click next. Install everything, although we are not using Perl, we're going to install as well. Next. And where is the folder you are going to install to? You are going to install to C drive XAMPP folder. Next. I don't want to see this right now, so next. Ready to install, let's go. So now we wait. Depending on how fast your computer is, this may take some time. Okay, I'm going to keep quiet for a while and wait for the installation to finish. On some older computers, it can take up to 3 to 4 minutes to finish. or even longer, depending on how old your computer is. Okay, so it's done. Do you want to start the control panel now? Okay, finish. Yes. So you should choose American English, I guess. Alright, so this is your XAMPP control panel, okay? I'm going to close it first. Okay, so after the installation, certain things happen, alright? One thing is in C drive, you would have an XAMPP folder, and all the files are here in your C drive XAMPP folder. Okay, you can find all the exe files to start the XAMPP control panel, all that. You can find it there. You can also start the XAMPP control panel from here to do a search. Alright, so if you do a search, you should find XAMPP control panel here. Or you can look for XAMPP, you can get the XAMPP control panel here. That will also appear. Okay, I'm just going to look for XAMPP, start the control panel, and I'm going to pin this onto my taskbar because we are going to use that a lot. So I'm going to right click here, right click, pin to the taskbar. Okay, so if I close it, and I launch it again, I should find the XAMPP control panel here. Okay. Alright, that's a good place to stop for this video. In the next video, we are going to talk about something else. Thank you.